Hello, and welcome to a video on how to change the pipe diameter value for your Vortex device. So your first step after downloading the Tek Bluetooth app is to input the following ID number: a 2 followed by 9 zeros, and then a 7. Afterward, inputting the verification code 341234. Now you have to select the device which you are trying to edit the parameter for. Having selected the device, you will now find yourself on the Device tab. Your next step is to press on the Settings tab. Once you are in the Settings tab, you must choose the User Setup menu. Inside this menu, you can find the pipe diameter which you're trying to change. So once you find the parameter which you're trying to change, the following screen should appear. Here you can change your pipe diameter value. Please note that the diameter is measured in millimeters. For the sake of this video, we changed the value to 25 millimeters. Having done this, we can save our changes by pressing the Save button on the top right and then closing the application. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the following.